What burns my ass is they see, like, just for me as example, they go, "You're not really Italian." I want to show them my social security card and my passport that I'm a citizen, so I can be like, "So what am I wrong here?"
Wait, what?
You talking about your dual citizenship?
I'm talking about my dual citizenship.
Even though you're dual, you're still not Italian.
I am.
You're not.
I have citizenship somewhere else too. What does that mean?
Yeah, you got that through your heritage of your parents.
Which makes me what? Exactly. That's what I thought.
What makes you Italian?
My citizenship.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, of course it does.
A piece of paper
I can
sign
get a
saying you could go.
That I'm a legal citizen of Italy. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that helps. Citizenship.
It doesn't make you Italian.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
In the government eyes of Italy, I am.
No, Marcus, you're actually wrong.
I'm actually not.
No, just because you have your dual citizenship, Marcus,
Wow,
just because
really?
you have your dual citizenship, you can get your dual citizenship in any other country that allows it.
Don't say
and then
any
say-
other, because certain
and
you
then-
can't.
There's a lot you can't.
Okay.
But if
Okay, Germany, you
Sure.
can get your dual citizenship in Germany.
Sure.
You go over there, you take the test. That doesn't make you
Okay,
German.
but if I don't have bloodlines, the reason why I even got that citizenship is through blood, meaning that I
Okay,
had
so
ancestry that
the
came out of
reason
there.
to your
That makes me
question-
Italian. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
you
the
have
answer
it
to
in
your
your blood.
question,
Which,
Right.
that's the fucking point.
Marcus. So the answer to your question shouldn't be because I have a dual citizenship. It's because it's in my blood.
That it's literally the same fucking thing.
No,
That,
it's
that's
not.
how I
It's
got it.
completely two different things, Marcus.
That's how I got it. That's how it is. That's how most people get it.
But
Is through
I
blood.
gave you an example about how I could get my I could
But
get
if
a
you have no
citizenship in Germany.
ancestry there, you're just saying that you have your citizenship.
So what?
What do you mean so what?
My father-in-law came here. He had no ancestries here.
Okay, and is he a citizen?
Yeah.
Okay.
But he's Italian.
Right, because why? He was from there, and he has his papers saying
Right.
that he's Italian.
So now he's American?
he's also American. He has
But
dual
he's always
citizenship.
Italian.